Good morning, afternoon, or evening, and welcome to this really short video about where can I find the textbook. Your course in the My Writing Lab section comes with an e-text embedded within that. So if you're hip to using an e-text, click on the My Writing Lab tab. And then if you'll scroll down, you'll see right here it says it says Writing Arguments, 11th edition, Ramage, Bean, and Johnson. This is your textbook. So if you click there, it should open the textbook. You may be prompted to download an Adobe plugin or a Flash player. If you are, then go ahead and do that, and you'll be able to access the textbook. So mine is being a little bit persnickety today, but it is loading now. So it'll take a second for it to load up, and then once it's loaded, the hard part is done at that point. So over here you can see the table of contents. It's divided into parts, part 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you open up one of these, you can see part 2, entering the argumentative conversation, and it will list for you the chapters that are in that section. So part 1, principles of argument. Here you'll see most of these titles are the titles that are on your syllabus. So that will help you move back and forth between the e-text and your syllabus and the course. There is a search button up here. So if you want to search Toolman schema, spell it correctly, it will then bring up all of the pages in the book, if you select entire book, that deal with the Toolman schema. You can limit that to part 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. If you do not want to use the e-text, if you prefer a physical copy of the textbook, the OCTC bookstore does have those available for you to purchase. However, you will pay for those in addition to paying for the e-text. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. But I just wanted to take a quick second to show you where the e-text was.